You guys, we made it to Aqaba, Jordan. We're here, we're here, we're here. So I'm going to give you a tour of our room, starting with the bathroom. The shower was small, which I'm assuming isn't uncommon on this side of the world, but we love the fact that the drain didn't smell. We were able to flush tissue down the toilet, and the water got really, really hot. A clean bathroom is always a plus for us. Now, when it comes to the room, we loved everything about it. As you can see, it was clean. We had free Wi-Fi and it was fast. The mattress was soft, which is a huge plus, and the AC as well as the plugs worked. Check out this view. It is mind-blowing. Absolutely beautiful. And y'all know I'm here for it.
No thanks, I'm good.
You don't want it?
Yeah, I don't want it.
At this point, my soul is dancing. I haven't had food this good since I ate at Texas Roadhouse back in the United States. It was a bit pricey, but worth the money. After eating, we decided to walk around a bit to check out the area. We found this little piece of paradise right behind the building that we just finished eating at. We were in awe. It's the small things, right?
Look at that Lexus, mama.
You want to go across the street?
Look at that Lexus.
It's the next day or so, and we decided to walk the city. Aqaba's like a big circle, so it's kind of hard to get lost. One of the first things that I noticed was there was barely any trash on the ground. I wasn't bitten by mosquitoes. Majority of the people were friendly, spoke English, and I loved how they'd slow down for us to cross the street. This is the Red Sea. It wasn't the best side, but it was free. Nobody bothered us, and we got to really enjoy our time in peace. Go ahead, open it. Oh, let me see it. You like it?
Yeah.
Who is that?
It's tails. It's in the sky.
Yay!
Let's open it.
Okay. Need help?
Yes.
Y'all, it was hot. After we finished eating, we decided to walk around just a little bit more and then head back to the hotel until night. Y'all don't have to worry about Jamari. He will always find a place to play and people to play with. He knows no stranger. We didn't stay in Aqaba the entire time that we were in Jordan, but we definitely made it our hub. This particular night, we walked a very long time, and I can't actually complain because we enjoyed it. There was a nice breeze, there weren't that many people outside, and we could actually get the real feel of Aqaba. Leave it to us to find a familiar place. We found one of our favorite supermarkets called Metro. Come here.